everyone, today I'm making my doors lighter, and the way I'm going to be doing that is by replacing the regulator of the window, taking everything out and putting these on. This is basically going to be holding my glass like that, and I won't be needing this whole assembly stuff, so that's the way I'm going to be doing it. So let's see how that goes. So yeah guys, it's pretty simple. Like a lot of you probably have done it before. So just this, if to take out the glass part is just basically got to take out, you don't really have to take out the stopper thing here, you just have to take out a bolt that's up here, because it's like a panel piece that stops this from going out. So you got to take those out. There's one here and one on this side, and then there's 3 bolts that hold the glass to the regulator. So those are the 3 that you have to take out, and we're probably going to be using the 2 on the bottom to be able to mount it up to these 2 holes. And let's do that real quick. Hey, I know how to use a ratchet. I just do it like that because that's how I do it. So. So after you take out the stoppers for the the bushing here, you just gotta push it up. Out comes the glass. So let's put that aside real quick. So the next step will be removing the regulator assembly itself, or the slider parts of the glass. So we're gonna remove that right now. Actually, start making the car lighter.
It has one up here. No, I think that's 14. It's 14. Same, so. Nope. Nope. It's a 12.
Out comes that. And by the way, I already removed the electrical motors and all that, so saved us a lot of time, which is they're not that hard to take out. So yes guys, we were going to be replacing basically this setup with this setup. Lightweight, doesn't weigh anything compared to this. I would say this is like about almost 3 pounds. So yeah, let's put this on the glass. So yes guys, this metal plate I installed it already. Is basically you only use the 2 bottom ones. For some reason they don't make a 3rd hole. I might make a 3rd hole in the future and put this one in to have a sturdier setup. But basically that's pretty much it. You're replacing all this with this, and it's pretty simple. Actually, I can make a 4th hole. I can make 1, 2, 4 holes. I might be able to use these 2 to make it sturdier. But yeah, it's pretty straightforward setup here. So yeah, let's see how it fits. That's it. Let's see how it closes. So yeah guys, that's pretty much it. It's pretty straightforward. You just take out the stuff, put that, replace that, and that's it. You're good to go. Some of you might be asking how well will it stay on there. So let's do the test real quick. You know, it's on there. What I need it for is perfect. If you're just about the race car life, it's perfect. So happy with that. You know, and it covers the seals pretty decently for, you know, to stop rain and stuff. So that's good. You might be seeing that I have the door taped up. Is because I'm gonna be cutting out the doors as well. So yeah, I don't know if it's gonna be today or tomorrow, but yeah, I'm gonna be doing that. Either today or tomorrow or some other day to make it even lighter. So yeah, as far as for holding the window up when you don't need it and then taking it out, that's you know, you save weight on these things, on the motor. I would say that's about almost 5 to 7 pounds all combined. I'm not really that curious to find out how much exactly, but I'm estimating 5 to 10 pounds, 7 pounds maybe. So yeah guys, thanks for watching.